This question is evaluating the sine of an angle given its tangent. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. First step is to recall. If we let theta be the angle whose tangent is 3/4, then the tangent of theta equals 3 divided by 4. Next step, we construct a right triangle. In this triangle, the side opposite theta has length 3, the side adjacent to theta has length 4, and therefore the hypotenuse equals the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which simplifies to 5. Then, next step, by definition, the sine of theta equals the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, which is 3/5. After that, next step, therefore, the sine of the angle whose tangent is 3/4 equals 3/5. Common pitfalls. Forgetting to build a right triangle to connect tangent, sine, and cosine. Mixing up the adjacent side with the opposite side. Ignoring the quadrant. But in this case, the angle is in the first quadrant, so sine is positive. Whenever you encounter a trigonometric function applied to an inverse trigonometric function, the easiest way is to construct a right triangle and then read off the needed ratio directly. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.